Hello friends and welcome back to the Techlician channel. So friends, today I will talk about XFX RX 9070 XT Quicksilver Esport card with custom slout design. So friend, it's officially available on Chinese market. So friend, the XFX has developed not one but 9 different models of RX 7900 XT card, and this number doesn't even account for non-XT model. It's turned out XFS has two more cards, one of which Quicksilver Esport edition, and this card is essentially the same design as the global version but with extra customization plate. The RX 7900 XT Quicksilver Esport has white and red plate which are apparently removable, and there is no mention if XFS is selling or shipping other colors with the card. Through the company is known for various modification. Another layer of customization is the fans. There is a magnetic ear fans, meaning user can buy a new set of ask XFS for replacement of any time, and the fan can also be removed for cleaning. So friend, the eSport edition is clocked at 1660, 2400 and 2970 MHz, which means it shipped with AMD reference clock, and it used AMD reference TBP of 300 forward, and the card measure 35 into 14 centimeter and is 2.5 slot design. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.